Mama, let's in the pen for our house. Now this brother saying like your mama.
You this guy! You again! That's why to leave me alone!
No, be
that idiot when they worry my wife. No they fear.
bros. No, so na wrong house, I beg.
All this possible when they worry my wife. I'm going to use a scapegoat today.
No, bros, I beg you, man.
You can never turn back. Oh, no, it's already too late.
What's up, my people? On a day, it's your boy OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of what I do best, comedy reactions. So guys, thanks a lot for always being there. Thanks a lot for always watching my videos. I really appreciate it, you understand. This one here now is going to be very short, so make sure to watch it to the very end. Make sure you tell me your favorite part of the video, and subscribe if you're yet to do that. You feel me? So don't play my people. Let's go have some fun.
Jesus!
Wait a minute. You might get going.
Okay, better motor no dey this road though. For go better road.
Sabinus.
Park here. They said park here. You're bending your steering.
Officer, well done.
See Ben. Hey, take this car out of this place. Come on, this car. Move. Hey, come on. Come.
You see Ben, you say make Corolla they go.
Officer, good afternoon.
Young man, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay.
What's your name?
My name is Humble, sir.
Humble. What do you do for a living?
Okay, well, I'm into tech.
Tech.
Yes,
In brackets, Yahoo.
Officer, why are you accusing me now?
Oga, shut up your mouth. Yeah! Which one be tech? So now tech you use by this motor.
Yes, sir.
Tech where I know. T-E-C-K. Tech.
Officer, I'm not into internet fraud.
You liar. Come down. Come down. Give me that khaki. Go to check out. Come check out. You. Go here.
Wait, man, see what's in there. My friend go put something for my motor.
Just take that they watch. No near me. Oh. Behave yourself. Oh. Anytime when I don't carry those in a canna, weed. Put this motor and I go to shake. You dey wine. Na iPhone be this?
No, not
I
like
dey buy iPhone, because they buy this car with tech.
Officer, I'm into tech. My ID card is right there. You can check it.
Okay, hey. The tech where me I know. T-E-C-K. Money no dey.
Officer, I know my rights. I know my rights.
Come on, shut up. You dey shut for na your mate. Na your mate. See, you go end for jail. Don't worry. Hold on. Hold the phone. That's an exhibit. Hello?
Hello, Sabinus, where you there?
At the checkpoint. What happened? I just catch one Yahoo boy. What's the problem?
Hey, thank God. You get one boy wey drive black Corolla. He no kidnap our pikin.
Hey.
He put am inside boots. And now that on a checkpoint side, now that place he go pass.
Hey, Corolla will pass that time.
Come. What happened? That Corolla will pass here. Check him. No, now you see my leave him. When did I say that?
Hey, now you talk Oga.
My wife just called me now. What did go tell you? Say na kidnapper be that person. Say my pikin inside the boot. Jesus!
Officer, can't check my.
Shut up! Come, give her me khaki. Young man, get out of this place. I'm not. Come on for here. Go.
Benjamin, you better now.
Why you allow that motor to pass?
Ah.
Hey!
Okay.
Come back here. What is going on here?
Okay. Kidnappers then pass this place.
Kidnappers pass here.
I'm shocked.
Did you see them?
I did not see them. My wife just called me that the Corolla that passed here, they were kidnappers. That my son is inside the boot.
You did not search the car.
Why you not search that car?
Okay, now you see me leave the car now.
When?
Why did you search the car now?
Okay, I see Benz, Yahoo boys.
What is wrong with you people? Eh? So you left Corolla because of Benz. I also told you that every young boy that is doing well, that is driving Benz, is a Yahoo boy.
Now their motto be that with the Lexus, the white one.
Keep quiet. There are legitimate business that people do that give them money to live luxurious lifestyle.
No mind them.
If now wait till we go find police, may they help us go find these kidnappers. I don't
police
know what
you
is
be?
happening here. Oh.
What are you?
Oh, I'm a police.
You must be out of your mind.
They see people. So kidnapper get mine. They kidnap police speaking. No respect for this country. Oh, say, okay, don't die.
But this guy, they forbid that, as I don't get motor, they forbid that Benz guy. May you help them, may they pursue
Wait,
this
now.
Wait.
You see any girl when pass here?
Yes, I see him.
I bet where she enter?
You be a goat.
Yes, Nami.
You turn up for people now, you now.
Yes, Nami.
I
do. I bet where she enter, babe?
see now you the help person.
I always help people, eh?
Don't help me today. If you help me, I will help you. I will show you where the girl is.
So what do you want me to help you do?
Go make her tell you. Yes.
Please go to you. Are you Mrs. Choma?
Oga na me.
Do you know him before?
Oga no sabi you.
Have we met before?
No, I don't know you, sir.
You have a son. I can see
Ima. Oga na me born am. Na my pikin be that. Wetin happen, Oga?
See, the enemies want to bring him down.
Hey! I talk am. Now okay, I will my husband brother for village. He don't see that in future. A man a star. He won't destroy my star boy. It will not work. Well.
See, Ima must not be in any public gathering for the next 2 months. Especially school. Ima must not go to school. You see that school? Now there they want. Bring her, come down.
You no go there again. Behind Ima, I think you don't hear wetin Papa talk.
Yes, Mama, they hear you.
I beg you no go school again, my pikin. They go inside. Make I give you water now.
God answer in prayer.
I don't know say they turn up for real life. I think say na only ski. If they turn up for
They turn on.
God will bless you. Like this, I no go school again. No.
I beg you, come show me where to get dinner.
I never do that to you.
Oh, yeah, wait. Now why we they call him?
Very good.
Now why he always turn up? He go turn up.
You don't carry and go there.
Emma, let's in the find for our house. Now this brother saying like your mama.
This guy, you again. That's why to leave me alone.
No, be.
Who be that idiot when they worry my wife? No dey fear.
No, vex. So na wrong house, I beg.
All this possible when they worry my wife, I go use her scapegoat today.
No, brother, beg you know.
You can never turn back. Oh, no, it's only too late.
You only make sense. So where am I going?
Check my ass out for meter. I go keep you 2 meter, baby.
Hey, madam, find out something now.
She won't even make her 1,000 naira now. At least we beat you now. We can take you to play.
Jesus. Say she know this. Even if she dey play music, you know this.
Jesus.
Omo, na so you die you.
Solo.
Yeah, your own na bad love. Which kind of bad love woman be?
I should put it back. Wait. What are you people looking at?
Mommy want to play.
Okay, this is another way again.
Apuleski. Anyways, that's the second one. I see that you are going up and down. Tojubole. All the small girls on the street.
Why should we do it?
I said, let me go and bring one for you. So that you will stay with us in this house. Do you hear me?
You mean it?
Yes.
Small wife.
Let's have it.
Small wife. My wife.
Let's have it.
What do I do for you?
Okay. You're good. I knew that you would come to a couple. It's okay. No. I have a good mind. Do you understand? I have a good mind. If you don't call me the Lord Jamilo, you know, come on, sit down. Sit down. No, I don't want to sit. Ule, what's that? Sit down here. No. Let me go and cook something.
Oh, Beauty.
My wife. All right.
You don't want?
Ojukwu.
So I gave it to you and you accept.
Only booty bad.
Go back to that dream and
And
reject
reject
it.
it.
You are the one that presents it.
Did I ask you? Did I ask you?
I foresee. So go back to the dream and reject it.
I said you should sleep.
Ha! Man! Adam! What? Ojukwu,
So you go back to the dream, go reject it again. Can you imagine?
Five bottles of Hennessy.
God have mercy upon us.
What is this? Jesus.
Now, carry the expense. One man.
Who plays? Okay.
Hello, Talkless.
Alpha bro.
How you doing now, my G?
I just deal, my time. We demand it for you.
Hope say no problem for that side, sha.
No. God, they provide for us with the seafood to small.
I no go lie you rough for my side gone.
Continue.
You don't even tell you I carry my money to come out. You no go believe say the rice and beans I chop this morning. Now pomo I use chop am.
This is plain.
You say what did you chop this morning?
Rice and beans I chop this morning. Now pomo I use chop am. Before the woman self put egg in.
Jesus.
Why
fight.
this one they drink garri?
Well, that also far go.
So maybe I dey chop turkey, I dey chop chicken anyhow before.
Have it down for me, okay?
Now the reason why I call you to that to as at least may you just help me with like 10k. Now I feel buy fair for this motor. Make the engine no go knock.
Now I give you 10k.
I swear, my blood.
Man, I don't lie for you. Okay. If I get 10k this period, I no go pick your call. Aji.
Guy, why you talk like that now?
If I get 10k this period, I mean, no problem. Which side did it?
I did house now,
Run, no. If I get 10k like this, I go sell boys. Yeah? Me and boys go come your house, go collect your motor.
Talkless, you mean this thing?
Okay. May know the main poverty. May know the main sapa. Car when you supposed sell the engine before you knock, now you ask me for the fuel. Okay.
You never say anything.
You chop rice and beans.
If no be bad economy, nothing
Okay,
go
they
dey
drink
ask
garri.
Talkless for money.
Because person dey complain for this country. Now maybe this I drink garri, no sugar, nothing, no groundnut. See they ask me for 10k.
That's what I do.
Hey, baby.
What's going on here?
You don't tell me say they come today now.
I was passing by, so let me just branch to come and say hello. Such not come and greet my boyfriend again.
No, and me, I just saw they come out like this.
Wait, before you come out, I actually want to tell you that I'm hungry and I want to eat pizza or shawarma.
You see what?
I'm craving pizza or shawarma. Anyone that you can actually buy for me.
So now why you come me with that?
Yeah, I don't have money, so that's why I want you to buy it for me.
I beg avoid me.
Let's have it.
Don't forget, say, pursue not get savings. Don't suppose get cravings. I don't get money for that kind of thing like this.
Hey, you don't have money and see, you are drinking and see. Only you want drinking this hot afternoon. Talkless, what is this one?
Continue. Take plate. My plate be this. If you don't drink one Derika of Hennessy, your body will calm down.
Guys, you see what your mouth can do. Did you so garri with me? Even if you so garri with me, now you your money to buy the garri.
You guys sense. Maybe all these girls will you sit down and drink them.
Damn. You just entered my eyes and say you are so gorgeous. What's up? Can I know you more? Maybe just give me your number or your name. I know better.
Now deaf and dumb. My name is Moscow. This one they funny, sha, but I am seeing it as a mockery to people that are deaf and dumb. Honestly, I'm seeing it as a mockery to them.
I don't get it, but I don't get it. No, nobody will follow me. They drag this one now because only me they speak a language. God is good. God. I no go they look man, man, I go forget my work, oh, bro. No time to check time.
No go work.
Be like say this year I don't cast to. I should go another area.
It's funny, but it's kind of a mockery to people that are deaf and dumb. Your daughter married wrongly. What's happened? Did they beat her?
Like I could have killed a lot of people.
Don't beat Papa Joy.
Thank you. So you're this rich?
Yes, I'm rich.
Okay. Why are you dressing like this?
Actually, I'm just disguising to find the true love. You know, we rich men, it's difficult to find true love, so I just have to disguise. I'm a CEO. Yeah, I'm a shareholder with Chevron. I'm one of the shareholders. I own the company. You know, people just want to work, just want to come to your life. When you try to tell them to go back, they will not understand your English. But they still want to come to your life. When you tell them to go back, and hold on. But they will not, like, they don't understand English. They will still just want to come.
The last guy will be this one. More you can before Oga come. I think go take your spoon.
Eh? So you're an ass boy?
Now that's it.
I can explain. This is just part of the disguising.
What are you explaining?
What are you disguising?
Explain what? Look, in your entire life, don't you ever call my number again.
One man.
Poor wretched thing.
God forbid.
Man, that's all because of you.
Don't worry, you will regret your life. One man picky, they see something.
For me, Ojukwu the guy.
Forgive me, give me money.
I have to say the form now.
You know you want to talk, say, so people want to come into your life and go back. You know, now you are the thought to make you go back.
Oh, I just say the thought one, they try explain for me. And they speak all those big English for me.
Put the water push up the shop to carry.
For us, no, get.
Babe, I bought you a new phone.
Oh, baby!
New phone.
Babe, a UK used phone? I think you were getting me an iPhone or a big phone.
Hey, calm down now. Try to understand now.
This
phone is one of a kind, though.
Waka.
Especially for night.
Be careful. I'm very, very angry. Jesus.
Babe, how much for this two?
Right, 2,150.
Idiot.
How much?
750.
Babe, don't worry, I'll manage this.
You are my African queen.
See, do you know, I'm leaving.
Jesus.
I've been understanding girl for more than 5 years. I can't do this anymore.
Women. Hey, please now. I understand that you have been understanding. But trust me, God will pick my call.
Master. That's the respected Gagatuan. One who has done a lot for the environment, but he never run. May used to pick this boy corner. He don't to suffer because of the game. How many people call with the pick every day now? You know the Siam. I don't pick him.
Bro, don't pick your call. Hey! You decline now?
Yes, baby.
Yeah. So this boy not get sense.
It's over.
Everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye-bye.
Hey! He end the own call. Come for Mango.
I said you stop calling me like what?
Ah!
Pew.
Hey! Nayepa. Congratulations, Dino Shogo. Hey, I see.
It's already too late.
Congratulations, Mr. Dino. So what do you have to say?
God is good.
Abby, that is good. You get law, you won't beat your helper. If you hear him, Mumu guy. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching to the very end. I believe you enjoyed yourself. What's your favorite part of the video? Drop it right in the comment section. Please do not forget to subscribe if you're yet to do that. Subscribe, drop nice comments, and share this video. They're important because YouTube is really messing with me. They are messing with me. So I want to show them Pepe. You get. I want to tell them that I don't give up. You get. I'll keep watching until my channel is back. So thanks, and see you in the next one.